Dukla Prague, a name steeped in history and evocative of a bygone era, is one of the most iconic football clubs in the Czech Republic. With a journey marked by triumphs, tribulations, and a unique cultural footprint, Dukla's story is as compelling as it is intricate. The club that would become Dukla Prague was born in 1948, initially christened as the Prague Military Club of Physical Education, or ATK. As the name suggests, ATK was established as an army club, designed to serve the interests and morale of the military. In 1953, just a few years after their inception, they clinched their first Czechoslovak title, a harbinger of the success that would follow. The name Dukla was adopted later, carrying with it significant military connotations. It commemorated the Dukla Pass, where crucial battles were fought during World War II, leading to the liberation of Czechoslovakia from Nazi occupation. This connection to military glory and national pride placed Dukla in the pantheon of communist-era clubs, similar to CSKA Moscow or Dynamo Kiev, clubs that were also intertwined with their respective military or police forces. Throughout the communist era, Dukla was a formidable force both domestically and on the European stage. They won 11 Czechoslovak titles and made significant strides in European competitions. Notably, they reached the semi-finals of the European Cup in the 1966-67 season and the semi-finals of the Cup Winners' Cup in 1985-86. These achievements still stand as some of the finest moments in the history of Czech football. The fall of communism in 1989 brought about seismic changes for Dukla Prague. The dissolution of the Soviet bloc meant that associations with communist institutions were now a liability. Dukla, deeply tied to the military, faced a bleak future. Financial difficulties ensued as the club struggled to find sponsors willing to associate with a symbol of the old regime. By 1993, the club hit rock bottom, finishing last in the inaugural season of the Czech Republic League with a meagre 10 points. This decline culminated in bankruptcy and the near obliteration of the club. Despite these challenges, Dukla produced one of the finest Czech players of all time, Pavel Nedved, who would go on to win the Ballon d'Or. In the mid-1990s, businessman Bohumir Durico intervened, orchestrating a merger between Dukla Prague and FK Příbram, a team from a small town about 30 miles away. This merger saw the team relocate and rebrand multiple times, eventually becoming one FK Příbram. While the team continued to play in the top league, the essence of Dukla Prague seemed lost, their famous maroon and yellow kits replaced by the green and black of Příbram. However, the spirit of Dukla was not to be extinguished. An amateur team based in Prague 6, where Dukla's historic stadium is located, kept the flame alive. They played in the traditional colours and maintained the iconic logo, embodying the club's enduring legacy. In a twist of fate, this amateur team's management took over Jakub Kovic, a second division club, in 2007. This set the stage for a remarkable comeback. By 2011, the phoenix-like resurrection of Dukla was complete, and the club returned to the top flight of Czech football. Dukla's cultural impact extends beyond the beautiful game, however. The British indie band Half Man Half Biscuit immortalised the club in their cult hit All I Want for Christmas is a Dukla Prague away kit. This quirky, nostalgic song highlights the unique allure of the club, resonating with fans far beyond the Czech Republic. Indeed, the song has become something of a cult anthem for football romantics, celebrating the ridiculous, the obscure, and the underdog. In the 2023-24 season just gone, Dukla once again established itself in the top flight of Czech football. Their return is a testament to the club's resilience and the dedication of its supporters. While the challenges of modern football are numerous, Dukla's rich history and strong identity provide a solid foundation for future success. Dukla Prague's journey is a fascinating saga of rise, fall, and rebirth. From their origins as a military club to their struggles during the post-communist era and their eventual resurrection, the club embodies the enduring spirit of Czech football. With a steadily growing fan base, a historic stadium and an iconic strip, Dukla continues to be a beloved institution, both in the Czech Republic and for inquisitive groundhoppers from around the world.